Then you tell me.
But for me, I will finalize on the balcony kama nimemalizana every other project.
Wow, I can see Christmas, everybody sing.
Actually, it's beginning to look like Christmas. That's what they say. So I put up this tree because of you. Let me just say, I put up this tree because of you.
God.
Yeah, because you told me I'm coming and shoot the astro, and I was like, oh, let me put up the Christmas tree. So, cause Mimi, I like putting up my Christmas tree early. Initially, like last year, I put it up in October. And then the other year, I think, the other year and last year it was October, but this year, kuna tu nilikuwa na mashughuli ni nini sijawezewa, but I put it up finally. The reason why I like putting up my tree early is because, you know, with my work, so, it tends to be busier November and December. So I don't usually like want nipitiliwe, alafu nikae ni kama siyuko. But when I put up my Christmas tree, I usually feel the vibe earlier, and then I'm just like in the mix. I'm just like it's Christmas, you know.
It's Christmas already. And like how much was the tree?
The tree itself, I got it like 2 years ago. I bought it at 4,500. And then the deco pieces, I've been buying them like over the years. Like isn't by 2020, isn't on Lianza Nazo when I bought 2020. Oh, this is actually 2021. This was 2020. And then like these pieces you just go buying.
Now like a piece kama hii natokanga how much?
Now for these ones, I bought them from House of Leather. You don't buy them as a piece. Ni kama ka bucket kadogo, kakona hizo ma pieces. So you just pick any color you want. Because when I bought this, isn't by 1600, zilikuwa 18 pieces ndani. So ni he gold na he gold. There's 3 different. Actually, all the golds is in e-size. Nilibaingi from that bucket.
So the best thing about this is that when you have like the tree, you can reuse it.
Every year, you don't have to buy it. Okay, buy it to one off nivo. Because me I bought it 4,500, but I'm still using it.
For myself, imagine I was saying it's a new one.
No, it's not a new one. It's not a new one.
So Kenya tu mtu anafaa kuweka tu sweets.
Sasa hizo ndo nimebakisha, ndo maana niko na socks. I need to put them in.
Ndo unaekanga huku nini.
Wow. So
you can see.
So and I like it. And then from here you can actually like see my kitchen.
Wow.
Kitchen. Talking of kitchen, tulikuwa tunapika. Tukapoa. Wacha tunizime. So this is my kitchen. You can come to this side. This is my kitchen. When I moved here, if you see my other videos, I told you the house was blue.
Yeah.
What is it called? What is this?
Worktop.
Yeah, worktop.
Working table. No, workspace. I don't know.
Counters. Island. It's a kitchen island. Yeah. So this island was initially blue. Uko side ya chini ilikuwa blue, and then I painted white. And then now I'm thinking to go buy zinaitwa zile peel and stick wallpapers. Nikuje ni stick hapa ikuwe totally black because I don't like this gold.
Why?
I don't find it okay. Uoni kama inakaa kama ni chafu?
It blends with
it blends this black plus still I find it's kind of awesome.
Me, I actually have been
I like this a bit of a goldish touch. Pia cause your carpet is kind of goldish. So I don't know.
But I was thinking of changing sometimes, but I will just see. So when I came in, the island was blue, and then I changed that. And then easy light fixtures easily nijiekea azikuwa because I felt like azikuwa because I'm working at getting stools so that kama niko kwa naweza kulia for breakfast. If I'm working from home instead of kwa dining, I can just sit and work. So those are some of the things I'm looking at.
Have a lot of friends.
Yes, wakikam hosting. Hata mimi naweza kwa a little bar. So I just want to have stools hapo ndio tuweze kukaa and everything. And then this is my breakfast look. Kuna sukari, drinking chocolate, tiny spoons, cups, zingine ni chafu ziko pale. And then I have this biggest bread ever you'll ever see. And then I have my collection of tea. I love tea. So I have like zingine hata nimekunywa zimeisha. Kuna hizo masala, tangawizi, kuna green tea, kuna very vanilla.
So you bought pamoja na these one
like me I just collect.
You just collect and then
I come najiekea hapa hivi kwa hili yangu.
Wow, nice one.
So I love tea sasa. Alafu this is my corner juice yangu. Okay, iko
almost kuisha.
And then my kettle. Alafu what else? Oh, where I place all my things. This part I added. This is like a tiny kitchen hood. I added this. And one thing, my closets cabinets were blue. I will show you a sample. So you look at this one. Unaona side ya ndani? So like it's blue. So it was blue. It was yani hii nyumba it was blue.
Total blue.
It could actually been called a blue house. So ilikuanga blue, mimi sikuwa napenda. So I decided kwa sababu hao like they're really strict about everything and nini. And I don't want like wabaki na pesa yangu. I gave them a lot of money. I don't want them to stay with my money. So nikihama I just have to pull this off. And they remain with their blue unaltered. That's the trick. So yeah, I have now the blue and black and everything. So that's what happened here. And then this is my cooking whatever, the normal one that I usually have. And then my leftover cooking oil, my chopping boards over there, just things like vitu ziko tu tujapanga, we are surviving. It's a normal day. It's not every day. But I'm
telling you, I can see a lot of growth.
Yeah,
new.
Yeah.
From when you kama ujaiona, if you're here, kindly go check on her YouTube channel on the first time that you had a bed sitter, and then you'll see from grass to grace.
Actually, you should tell them that when they go to my channel and see my when you search my channel, actually the first video that comes up is my bed sitter. That is actually like my video in ilintoa YouTube, because it has I think 90 something K views. Yeah. That's the video that actually like to me. I actually like to say that this is the video that made me.
Wow. And that's why it's number 1.
Yeah. So that's why like almost everything, Mimi, like I just know I will never forget about my bed sitter, because I'm telling you, I was attached to that bed sitter. You know, when I was moving out, I actually like cried.
Same case to me, nikitoka from my bed sitter, I felt like I didn't want to move to that space.
Yeah, but you know, you have to
grow. That was the thing.
So sometimes me, I love that bed sitter kabisa. So just a sink, my rack, and my things.
I can see you love flowers.
I love flowers. Kabisa. So yeah. So this is how.
And also this carpet.
Oh, it's a white carpet actually. Yeah. And I love it because una feel vile na feel
to fly. And then it's big enough, like you can wash here, you can cook. Bado space yako hapa hivi, okay. And then there is this fridge over here.
My tiny baby. Okay, I bought this fridge with my own money.
Not with your own money, not Mbaba's.
Not Mbaba's. You know, there's something that is important when you buy something for yourself with your own money. You just like, oh my god, I actually did it.
You made it.
So yes, I bought it with my own money.
Not Mbaba's.
Not Mbaba's. Okay. That was the best part.
The best.
Yeah. So that is like my kitchen. So it's the open plan wherever ish. And now from there you come to this side. This is like my tiny entry. Corridor, hallway, the way you want to call it. I don't know if the lighting is that good, but yeah. So this is like a tiny space that leads you to my master bedroom, my guest bedroom, and the guest bathroom. So this house is a 2-bedroom, but it's called a 2.5 bath system, which means it has all the bedrooms are ensuite, and then you have the 0.5 that is just like the toilet only for guests.
So it's an advantage.
Yeah, it's an advantage. So when you're looking for a house, because you hear most people from the Western countries, they're like, is it a 0.5 whatever? They have to add that. So this is the size. It's not that big. This is how it's looking like. It's like a tiny space, but I love it. And I could count how many times I've been to this bathroom.
You can count, eh?
I can count because tangu nihamia hapa si rahisi unipate nikiingia huku.
Uzuri when your bedroom kuna
washroom, so so this one is one, and then this mirror was here when I was moving in, but this Zatini I added them myself because now I didn't just want a basic mirror. I didn't have a frame and I really wanted to have a frame on my mirror, so I went ahead and glued these two. These ones I got from a friend of mine who lives in Dubai. She just sent them to me, so I bought them because they stick and look perfect. Everything. So this is the space, and then this one we are not going like to see everything, but this is my extra bedroom that looks madogosh. It's supposed to be actually my guest. So this is how it's looking. Ikona vitu mingi ni nini my DIY projects na zifichanga huko ndani and everything.
Wow.
And then this is my master. I can't my master. I don't know if I should put on the lights. So this is my master. And this master, even though in a car, this is what I made recently. This addition, like this one, lakini nilikuwa nataka niuze yake.
Mbona ulikuwa unataka kuuze?
I think nilikuwa too interested kuwa nayo alafu tena nikakuwa na tena kanibo.
Are you like me when you really want to have something and then after you have it and then you're like
the psych just
inaisha after you have a
this one, this I made it myself. As I was telling you, from my previous like 1 bedroom, this was like a piece of my entertainment center. So when I dismantled, ikabaki na hizi pieces. So when I came here, I really wanted somewhere to put my bags and just like have my mirror go up because ilikuanga kwa floor mirror. And then I wanted a desk ya kukaa. Kama jana, imagine when I was making my hair, I was sitting here. Like that's actually the first time I've sat here and enjoyed the space. Because tangu niunde
ujai kaka like hapa.
Niliona nipake makeup na kuna makeup nimepaka.
I was thinking of kunafaa kuwa na a lot of makeup.
Kuna makeup nimepaka hapo imagine like kenye nimefanyia kwa hii meza ni kutengeneza hizi nywele.
but at least your satisfaction is the key.
Yeah. So
easy na wakanga sinda.
Yeah, zinawaka. I can actually like weka one.
Wow.
Zinawaka.
Niko nashinda hapa na Jamaica.
Unajiangalia. And the best part ni lighting, actually ni lighting poa sana. Nikizima ya yellow, you could actually like shoot content here.
Nini TikTok videos over here.
Hapo kwa mirror.
And also like nini hizi za kuongea talk shows. Alone na hata hapa you can
monologues. But some maybe yes create hizo content.
Oh my God.
So that is that. And then
like it.
My bed that I custom made or I made it myself, because when I bought the bed it came with the nightstands hii na ile huko and then na nini nyingine it came with the chest of drawers ile pale. But now over time nilianza kufeel ile headboard ilikuwa too plain ikanibo, so I went ahead and DIY this headboard. So nika DIY hivyo alafu unaona duvet yangu iko fluffy, it's just like a trick. Hizi ni duvet mbili ziko ndani. Sasa duvet mbili ziko ndani. So and then the pillows, because I love so many pillows. And then today when you are coming, my theme actually for the bedroom was red. I usually change between red and pink. So for this one it's red. So this is why you see red is gonna pop. Popping.
Love popping.
Exactly.
And also this
Yeah. And the emerald green.
It's my favorite one.
The curtains. I actually love these curtains. These curtains actually. This is my most expensive curtains ever in my life.
Texture yake
ni different. This is complete like a total blackout. If you close, hakuna light utaona nje.
Nice one.
Yeah, they're completely blackout. And the texture itself ndo yani inaweza kabisa like it's just good.
It's just nice. And then hapa hivi sasa ni
hiyo ni light fixture. But I think tunaweza acha ile side. Inawaka mara 3. It has white, yellow light, white warm na ingine hapo yenye sielewi ni color gani.
Guys.
Iko the 3 shades and then the art pale juu I also made that.
Meaning
I drew. No, for me with art I love abstract. With abstract you like whatever you see is what goes. You don't have like to see like I'm saying this is what So me I just like drew. That is how my heart led me. So it's just this is a semicircle and a rectangle hivyo tu. And then I mounted them up there. And then my light fixture is from I think House of Tata on Instagram. I got it at 6K with all the bulbs. With all the
plus
bulbs.
the installation.
No installation I did on myself. Mimi mwenyewe. So ndio inakaa hivyo.
Okay, now I have a question. Like tuseme moja ikiweza chomeka, is it like the whole bulb?
Kama
the whole nini?
No, kama hii inaona kanawaka lakini kagodal. I think ni kama iliungua something. So you just buy that bulb peke.
Not like the entire.
No, it's just bulb. Because unaona siko na arms, siko na 6 arms. So yenye inaungua ni hiyo tu bulb ndo na change. Alafu hapa hivi kuna hii nini yangu. This I got from Kitengela ama Kitengela Hot Glass whatever. I bought this afu nikaipaka paint ya black. And then hizi nimesahau pampas grass ya. Pampas grass afu nikakatoa hapo hizo makofia. Ikae better and everything like that. And then this is my washroom and inakaa very weird.
That's weird. But it's nice.
Very weird. This is how it's looking. Na my things nimepanga huko iko na hii shower curtain. Yani hivyo tu actually is a basic one.
It's a basic
shower dini because tunajua zile zingine vile zinakuanga na nini nitwaje zinakuanga na glass cubicle ina hizo. And then when I was also coming in the bathroom tiles zenyewe zilikuwa zimechange color. I remember I did a video complaining.
And venye ilikuwa chafu. Yaani niko na complain ilikuwa alikuwa
anakaaje. Yeah, so I tried kila time nakwanga like nikifagia nina nini na poa kuna chemical nyingine nilibaingi. So I tried to put on the tiles. So over time inaenda kibrighten
with cute sandals
za kuingia nazo kwa bafu.
Tunakaa fiti girlish.
Ndio sasa my girl side
is
showing.
popping
yeah.
So pengine ni pa makeup ama hapa ni pa nini.
Sasa hapa ndo initially walikuwa wametuwekea for makeup and everything. But so unaona me like I've just like thrown my things like organization.
Hey, do you have someone? We can see a ring over here. Are you engaged?
I'm not engaged, but I have a boyfriend. Okay. That's my girl.
Too bad.
My girlfriend.
Too bad, besties.
So this is how everything is looking. And then we go to the manguo. And then I have a bench there kuvaa viatu.
Wow, besties. And if you've really enjoyed this video, go subscribe to our channel.
Yes, I'm waiting for you guys to come and subscribe to my channel. I'll be waiting actually. If you comment from Shikopol, I know message ilifika.
Yeah, and kama kuna kitu imekubamba, you can also
ask.